Good morning, class. This is your science class, Modern Science and Technology book, in which we are going to start the chapter Force and Pressure. In this video, we are going to read about the examples involving pressure. In this class, we are start to read the examples in which pressure are involved. Movement of a camel on sand. A camel can easily walk on sandy ground. That sandy ground is known as desert. Everybody know very well about that. So while a horse cannot do so, you can see that easily the camel can walk on the desert, but horse cannot. That's why the camel is also known as ship of the desert. Okay, so this is due to the fact that nature has provided the camel with broad feet compared to the horse. Comparatively to horse, the camel has broad feet. Hence, when a camel walk on the sand, जब camel sand पर walk करता है, the pressure exerted by it on the sand is quite small, and its feet do not sink much in the sand as compared to that of horse. Horse के comparatively जो हमारा camel होता है, its feet are broad. That's why that pressure become small. Okay, so on the sand it's quite small and its feet do not sink much in the sand as compared to that of the horse. Therefore, a camel can easily cross vast region in desert. Let's start. Caterpillar, wheel of tanks. Army tanks, being very heavy, exert much force on the ground. Army tanks, they are very heavy. They have so many types of weapons, so many types of dresses, so many types of food material. So they have so many things, that's why they are very heavy and they exert much force on the ground. So they are made to move over broad steel track rather than on wheels, as broad steel track increase the area of cross section and reduce pressure on the ground. ज़्यादा प्रेशर होने की वजह से क्या होगा, फोर्स ज़्यादा होगा, और फोर्स ज़्यादा होने की वजह से क्या किया जाता है, इनके जो ट्रैक्स होते हैं उनको ब्रॉड बनाया जाता है, मीन्स मेड अप ऑफ स्टील एंड दे आर ब्रॉड. ओके, and then on wheels, as broad steel track increase the area of cross section, and in this way they just increase the area of the cross section and reduce pressure on the ground. और जो प्रेशर होता है ग्राउंड पे वो ऑलरेडी कम हो जाता है. thereby making the movement of tank easier without sinking them into the ground. ज़्यादा प्रेशर होने की वजह से, ज़्यादा फोर्स होने की वजह से भी easily they can move on the road without sinking them into the ground. For the same reason, tank trailer are provided with 16 wheel or more. You have seen so many tank trailer in which they have 16 tires. For what? 16 wheels. For what? For increasing their area. By increasing their area, the pressure become slow or little. Buses and trucks with more wheels and wide tires. By using wide tires, the pressure become decrease. The pressure become decrease because the area become increase. So come on the high building on the wide foundation. Base area of high tower or a tall building or a dam or a big monument is made quite large. Why it make large? So that ground is able to withstand the pressure of the structure. Means by increasing their broadness, by increasing their area, the pressure becomes slow. Okay, now come on the sharp object, sharp cutting edge of tools. All cutting instruments such as blade, scissor, knives, etc. have sharp cutting edge, so that the area of cross section is minimum. Even with a small force, the pressure exerted by them on the object is quite large. Thus they can easily penetrate into a given surface. You can see that this is a pen. In this pen, when I start to penetrate this paper, I am going to just penetrate this paper, and by the area of this top point, the area of this top point is very less, very little. Okay, दैट्स वाई यहाँ पर क्या होगा, फोर्स ज़्यादा होगा, और फोर्स ज़्यादा होने की वजह से आई कैन पेनिट्रेट इट एंड मेक अ होल इन दैट पेपर. ओके, आई कैन make a hole, but by using this side, when I start to penetrate this pen into this paper, there is no any hole. Why? Because the area become large, और एरिया ज़्यादा होने की वजह से प्रेशर कम हो गया, एंड आई कैन नॉट मेक अ होल इन दिस पेपर. बट फ्रॉम दिस साइड द एरिया बिकम शॉर्ट, एंड बाय यूजिंग प्रेशर आई कैन मेक अ hole in this paper. Okay, so you can see that as the area become high, the pressure becomes slow. As the pressure becomes slow, the area become high. Okay, now instruments such as blades, scissor, knives, etc. have sharp cutting edges so that the area of cross section is minimum. Even with a small force, the pressure exerted by them on the object is quite large. Thus they can easily penetrate into a given surface. You can see that I can also, by using this pen, just make a hole. Okay, but by using this pen I cannot make a hole. Why? The reason is only that the area of this side is large while the area of this side is short. It is for the same reason that is drawing pin is made sharp from one end and broad from the other side. So the force applied on the broad side exert a much greater pressure on wooden board, and hence pin easily penetrate into it. Use of long skies. Skiers use long and flat skies to slide on the snow. You have seen skiers are using long and flat skies because the area become large, so they cannot just push the pressure on the earth. Large area of cross section of skies reduce the pressure on the snow and prevent the skiers from sinking into the soft ground. So the skiers easily slide over snow without sinking their feet into the ground. And the last is the effect of narrow heel. Narrow heel shoes exert much more pressure on the ground as compared to flat ones because the force is acting over a small area on the narrow heel. I hope you all understand this. Narrow heel means जो हील होती हैं हमारे शूज़ की, जो हील्स होती हैं अगर वो नैरो होती हैं तो प्रेशर ज़्यादा पड़ता है. कहाँ पर? अर्थ पर. वाइल इफ़ इट बिकम ब्रिथ, अगर वहाँ की विड्थ ज़्यादा है हमारी हील्स की तो प्रेशर कम होगा. दैट्स वाई जो नैरो हील्स होती हैं उनका इफ़ेक्ट क्या होता है कि दे थ्रो प्रेशर मोर comparatively to flat heel. Okay, I hope you all understand these all things. Okay, bye bye.